Ciao singer, welcome to my channel. I'm Ilaria, Italian singer and voice teacher. If you want to become a professional singer, subscribe and train your voice safely with me. Today we're gonna make the vocal warm-up together using the natural minor scale, so you can train not only your vocal folds but also your ear. Trust me, it's a very important skill being able to recognize different scales, and we have to make friends with them. The natural minor is one of the three main minor scales in music, and it sounds like this, for example from A3. Out of the three minor scales, it's the natural minor scale which is generally considered to be the default. A lot of the time, particularly in pop music, when a piece of music is in a minor key, it will use the minor scale. A scale is a sequence of notes. The starting note gives the name to the scale. For example, this scale starts from A, so this is an A minor scale. As you can see, the scale starts and ends with the same note, A, and there is a specific interval between one note and another. The pattern is defined by a series of tones and semitones. Between the first note A and the second note B, there is a tone. Between B and C, there is a semitone. Between C and D, there is a tone. Between D and E, there is a tone. Between E and F, there is a semitone. Between F and G, there is a tone. Between G and A, there is a tone. Every minor scale follows this pattern of tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. Listen to these songs in a minor key.
I'm ready for love. Here comes a wave meant to wash me away.
Alright, let's train! Before you start with the vocal warm-up, you need to warm up your body first. If you haven't done it yet, pause this video and watch my complete body warm-up for singers. I want to give you some instructions before we start vocalizing. In this exercise, we will use the famous lip roll. To stretch our vocal folds in the entire range with the minimum vocal effort. You don't have to use a lot of air, the right volume is mezzo forte. In this exercise we will sing notes from A2 to F4. If you feel uncomfortable with some notes, for example if they are too high or too low for you, don't worry. Skip them or watch my playlist for beginners. Down below you find the keyboard so you can see in real time what natural minor scale you're singing. Okay, stand up and feel the rhythm! For this male version I called a friend, the Argentinian guitarist, singer-songwriter Lucio Dipi. Welcome Lucio!
Hola, soy Lucio Dipi y ahora seguime en el próximo ejercicio.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfecto, genial.
Now we can continue our train together with the next exercise. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, activate notifications so we can train together every single day. Ciao!